Today, my beautiful friends, in celebration of my favorite holiday of the entire year, I will be teaching you a spooky Halloween belly dance combination. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. I'm going to walk you through the combination step by step. We'll talk a little bit about the technique, but if there's anything here that you need further breakdown of, be sure to check the links below for a full tutorial right here on my channel. All right, so to begin, you'll be facing back, but let's face forward for now. Arms are up, hands are gently clasped, and we're going into Mayas, which are vertical figure eights, up to down. I'm going to do the heel variety where the heels are on the floor, but you're welcome to lift the heels as well if you would like. We're going to do 7 of them starting on the right. So it will be right, left, 5, 6, 7, ending with the weight on the right. Feel free to make these big and ooey gooey. Really move, let the upper body flow since you're facing the back. Once you finish that last one, you're going to turn to face the front. So right now I'm going to turn all the way around to face the front dramatically. Hands come over the eyes. Arms will open up as you go into a figure 8 on the right. So if we just play with this figure 8 for one moment, front to back figure 8, horizontal, parallel to the floor, wide stance, big, ooey gooey, spooky figure 8. Yeah, we're taking it here, figure 8 and a little ami, a little circle on the side. I'm bending that right knee. I'm taking a little ami that goes clockwise around, right back, left tuck, right back, left tuck. Yeah, so we're going figure 8, ami, arms. It's like a little Vogue box, but nothing too specific. Shoulders are rolling, arms are coming past each other. It's going to be 1, 2. 1, 2, and then a little shimmy. You can use both legs to create that shimmy. Just for a second, hands push down. So we put that all together from the figure 8. Figure 8, ami, arms, shimmy. Yeah, let's do that again. Here we go. Figure 8, ami on the right, 2 arm movements, and shimmy. Let's try that same thing on the left because you're going to get to do it on the left. So same idea. Figure 8 on the left. That little ami is going to go counterclockwise on this side. Left, release back, tuck right, and then tuck front. So this is our ami on the left side, going around to the back, following the momentum of the figure 8. Figure 8, ami. Yes? Figure 8, ami. And we can do the hands as well if you would like. Figure 8, ami, arms, little shoulders. Yeah, little shoulder roll with those arms. Shimmy, beautiful. Let's do it one more time. Figure 8, ami, arms, shimmy, going back to the right. Figure 8, ami, arms, shimmy. From here, we're going to take it into an inner hip roll. Plie that right leg, inner hip roll. So vertical figure 8 again, like the Maya, but this time we're going down to up, lifting the heels, right? So lift the heels, allow the body to ebb and flow a little bit with that. Up and up. Let's do one more. Up and up. Nice. So we're going to do inner hip roll right, inner hip roll left. Then we're going to do a chest circle. Dancer's choice, whichever direction you go. Mine likes to go counterclockwise first. So I'm going to go counterclockwise. And I'm going to make this really gooey, kind of like a chami. I'm going to give it a little bit of angularity, a little up, a little down, a little front, a little back. If I show you here from the side, you can get the shoulders involved. Have fun. Make it juicy and delicious. So one chest circle, and then there'll be one top to bottom undulation. This is going to happen a little later on an accent in the music. Top to bottom undulation. Yeah? And you almost have it all. So let's go ahead and break it down from the beginning one more time. Okay, I'm going to start facing back this time. Arms are up above the head. We're doing those Mayas starting on the right. Right, left, 5, 6, 7. Turn dramatically to face the front. Hands come in front of the eyes. Figure 8, ami, arms, shimmy, inner hip roll, chest circle, undulation. Yeah? Okay. Other side repeats starting with the figure 8. Figure 8, Ami, arms, shimmy. Inner hip roll is going to start on the left side this time because that's where you're standing. Inner hip roll, and then something else happens, something different. Arms are a little bit dancer's choice. You can bring the hands back up to the eyes if you would like, or you could just keep them open where you finished the previous combo. Of course, arms do the little Vogue box here. I pull them down when I shimmy and then open them up here. You could play with your hair. You could do something creepy, whatever you would like. Inner hip roll, inner hip roll. Then we're going to go into a big hip circle. That's really going to take some time. So you're going to push forward, open up that right leg, push it around. Arms are going to lift. We're going to come to the back, tuck the pelvis, and we're going to let the head drop. Keep the chest lifted as long as you can. Drop the head. I wrap my left arm at my body. My right arm comes up here to grab my hair so it doesn't end up in my face. And we're going to end by bringing the arms out to the left and then bringing the right arm up to pose. Yeah, let's do that hip circle again. We ended with our weight on the right, so we're going to extend, on the left, that's your left. Extend that right foot out, push, chest is lifted, neck is lifted, open, around, arm comes up, slide through, and pose. You are doing really well. We're going to review it again, but before then, if you are enjoying this creepy little combination, would you please like and subscribe? I would really love to dance with you every single week. Okay, from the beginning, one more time. Arms are up, knees are soft, chin is lifted. We're doing the Maya right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and then turn to face the front. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms, arms, shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest, weight, undulation, figure 8. Ami, arms, arms, shimmy. Inner, inner, and then this will slow way down. Push, release, arm, pose. Alrighty, fabulous dancer. Let's do that with music. And I think you're going to love this music. A huge shout out to the fabulous Bahia of Austin and Gaston Shaw, the musician who created this incredible music for her. If you love it, and I know you will, check the link in the description so that you can hear the entire song and get your very own copy. All right, go ahead and take a deep breath up and strike your pose. Fabulous job, amazing dancer. Comment below and let me know what you thought. Tell me if you know where that music is from. Yeah, I don't know if I'm dating myself. Post below. Do you know where that music's from? And if you decide to dance this in costume, any kind of costume, Halloween costume maybe, will you tag me on social media at Sahira Belly Dances? I would absolutely love to see you there. Now you can join me for another great tutorial. Let's keep dancing.